Welcome to our channel, where we explore the delightful intersection of food and health. In today's video, we're diving into the tantalizing topic of how certain foods can boost your sexual health and vitality. From enhancing libido to improving circulation and stamina, the right foods can play a significant role in fueling your passion and pleasure. Indulge in the decadent goodness of dark chocolate, which is not only a delectable treat, but also a potent aphrodisiac. Packed with antioxidants and flavonoids, dark chocolate can increase blood flow to the genital area, enhancing arousal and pleasure. Creamy and versatile, avocados are rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which are essential for hormone production and maintaining healthy reproductive function. Adding avocados to your diet can boost libido and support overall sexual health. Often hailed as a classic aphrodisiac, oysters are loaded with zinc, a mineral that plays a key role in testosterone production and sperm health. Enjoying a plate of fresh oysters can heighten desire and arousal, making them a perfect addition to a romantic evening. Sweet, juicy, and oh so tempting, strawberries are not only a sensual delight but also a potent source of vitamin C and antioxidants. These nutrients help improve blood flow and circulation, promoting better sexual function and pleasure. Crunchy and nutritious, almonds are a fantastic snack for boosting sexual health. Packed with protein, magnesium, and healthy fats, almonds support energy production and hormone balance, helping to enhance libido and stamina. Incorporating these 5 affordable and easily accessible foods into your diet can have a positive impact on your sexual health and well-being. So why not indulge in a little culinary pleasure while nourishing your body and igniting your passion? Stay tuned for more tips and insights on how to savor the delicious connection between food and health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering content.